Hello, people who like watch my channel. I don't know. Today I figured I'd finally stop putting this off and open 3 Pokemon packs. I mean, I was obviously putting this off because this is only 9 whole cards, but I was like, okay, it's just sitting in my room. I want to record this, and then you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna record it. I'm not gonna bust out the equipment because why am I doing that for 9 cards? Anyway, you already see what this shit is. It's Pokemon Sword and Shield, Rebel Clash, Dollar Tree packs. Honestly, the only reason I decided that I want to record this is, hey, if I pull something good out, it's good from a Dollar Tree pack. Anyway, yeah, I guess let's just get into the opening. Okay, so from pack number 1, we have a very epic opening. I'm still have Scyther, who's something okay. Reverse Scizor, got the whole evolution, and the Pelipper. And no ad card. Come on, I was expecting an ad card. That's like an expectation. I mean, okay. Well, on to the second. So, from the second pack, if I can open up the top and take it out properly, which would be really nice. Again, I said really nice. So annoying. Alright. So, first one, Galarian Yamask, Reverse Electrode, and Metapod. Getting a lot of reverses. I don't know if that's supposed to happen now, or did they like nerf the Dollar Tree packs somehow? Alright, on to the third one. Okay, so, third pack. Grubbin, Reverse Sigilyph, and Hattrium. Okay, very cool. It's not even worth doing a recap, because, yeah. Alright, I got that done. This is a very epic, very careless short video. Goodbye, I guess. I have no idea.